Hi, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. This is a tongue. I've been missing in action. But, anyways, guys, welcome back to my channel again. I welcome you guys all to my new subscribers and all of you guys to my old subscribers. Thank you so much for continuing to support this channel. In today's video, I'm going to try to do the next few videos. I'm going to try to do my best to be very audible, very straightforward, and just helping in general. Okay, so that's the goal of the video today. I want you guys to leave with something that you're going to learn and something you're going to help you with your natural hair. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing my pre-shampoo. I've done this on the video, but I just feel like sometimes I have new subscribers that might need some new stuff to learn, and not even just new stuff to learn. I want to teach you guys basically a few basic tips that I've been using that's going to help you guys in your natural hair. So the first trick I'm going to be sharing today is make sure you section your hair. Okay, those are a few tips. That's number one thing I'm going to say. The reason I actually section your hair is just very good for manageability. It helps you to manage your hair. It helps you to manage a certain size of hair that you can work with, okay? You can work with what you got, okay? Work with what you got. Anyways, jokes aside. So basically, with my pre-shampoo, so what you do with your pre-shampooing is you're prepping your hair for shampoo. The reason is shampoos are very harsh sometimes. For 4C hair, sometimes shampoos are very stripping, okay? So you try to do something to help you make your wash day easy, okay? So this is what makes your wash day easy, and that's why I want to share these tips. They're going to help you have an easy, manageable wash day, especially for shampooing, okay? So what I do is, like I said, section my hair. And then the next step I do is use my fingers, okay? Don't introduce another trick. Don't introduce comb too early into your wash day. Reason being, the combs are going to rip off tangles that you could have managed with your fingers, okay? I know a lot of people don't believe in finger detangling, but I'm going to be honest with you guys. Honest truth, it had really helped me retaining my length. A lot of people are asking me, what do you do? I definitely do this. I'm sharing them so that some of you guys can learn. So yes, your fingers are very important. I know that I don't use comb. I do use comb, but I'll show you guys in the next upcoming videos of how I introduce comb into my hair. Okay, that way you guys can learn and see that all the stuff that I do here is not a rush. Okay, these are stuff that I've done for 5 years. I've done them that way. I've learned to add. I haven't learned everything, okay? So like after you've sectioned your hair into those sections, make sure that you detangled one by one. I mean each sections from one to the other. I have 4 sections, 2 in the back and 2 in the front. Okay. So I'm just taking my I'm gentle again, don't be rushing. I know sometimes it's easy to just rush through, and that's why, like, at the end of the week, you have so much tangles because you didn't get rid of them. So get rid of tangles with your fingers. Sometimes I just use my fingers like a comb. I don't really wreck through it like a comb, but I like to just work it from the outside to just get rid of it. And then just separate into 2 sections and twist away, okay? Reason again why I twist away, just to get things out of the way, so I don't have to have anything disturbing me doing my hair. It shortens your time. It just reduces everything, guys. Manageability. I used to just go into the shower with my hair open, no sections, and just put in shampoo. And I'm telling you, it's a nightmare, okay? So that's something I'm going to share. That's a few tips that I'm going to share with you guys. Put your hair in sections, detangle with your fingers, and twist it away for manageability. And then here at the end, I fast forward because I don't want to bore you guys with the same thing over and over. So basically, I do the same things from section to section. And the front ones, like I said, just do it again. and then twist it away. So the twisting away is going to help. So the last step I do, I'm just introducing this at the end, is I just shampoo. Okay, now I have my sections that are easy to be managed. I'm going to wash from one to the other, but stay tuned for more videos, upcoming videos. But please, if you learned something today, leave in the comment section, like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe for more more videos, for future videos, and just continue to watch me grow with this natural hair and trying to help you guys have a better, manageable wash day. Thank you guys. Have a good one. Bye.